Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I actually want to recap about the last video that I made. Now, this video, in the end, I told you about a trade that I took and how I was going to pass it in 2 trades. So the trade actually hit stop loss. I wanted to pass it in 2 trades. Unfortunately, it's going to have to be 3. But I want to show you what I did wrong, what I did right, and why it failed, because there's always a reason, right? So let's actually go into the higher time frame. If we go into the higher time frame, as you can see, this trade was a short. Now, this was a very stupid decision. I actually don't know why I took it. Should have had more patience with it. I didn't analyze the higher time frames, and that is completely my fault. I journaled and I got better, and it won't happen again. So right here, as you can see, the trade was moving up in very high momentum. Now, when this happens, this is called displacement, when it moves up really high, really fast. Okay, so it made a lot of fair value gaps, a lot of bullish fair value gaps. And there was actually a hot fair value gap right here. So even if it hit, it would still go up and take a long time. So that's one of the reasons why you shouldn't have taken this trade. Another reason why is because momentum like this, it doesn't instantly just stop as soon as it hits an order block and then drops down. It's most likely to either consolidate and then that happen, because it has to lose momentum. Now, if we go into the higher time frame, the daily time frame, you'll also realize that we had just hit a daily fair value gap. So this trade should not have been taken. I regret taking it, but unfortunately I did. So not only that, but it made a huge fair value gap on the daily time frame when I took this short. So again, shouldn't have done it. But let's actually go into the other setups that I'm waiting for, that I've analyzed way better, and that will get me a higher win rate. And that's what this video will teach you. Okay, so we're gonna go to the first setup that I'm gonna take this week. I only take about 1 to 2 trades a week. Less is more, people. Less is more. So why am I taking this trade? This is one that I'm taking. It is a nice 1 to 6.5, and this trade will probably take about 3 to 4 days to complete. So I might only take 1 trade this week, because I also have to wait for it to go and hit. But this will pass my funded account in 1 trade. So I'm going to explain why I'm taking this trade. First off, go here. It has already hit the order block once. Okay, right here, this order block right here. So it's already hit it once and it's already gone down. Not only that, but it made a bearish fair value gap that it is about to hit or has already hit. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for it to break through this, but this will already cause it to lose this uptrend of momentum. Okay, it's going to start consolidating a little bit. It's going to break through and it's going to touch here, and then it's going to drop. So another reason why I took this is, oh, by the way, you always trade the second touch. Okay, this is the first touch. As you can see, this fair value gap has never been hit before that in any time period, or this order block, sorry. Sometimes I get stuck and lost. Okay, right here, this order block has never been touched before, meaning this will be the second touch and we can trade it. All right, let's go into the 4 hour here. Okay, as you can see, the bias is also aligning with the 4 hour. It's 2 order blocks mixed in with each other. We got a bearish fair value gap. We're not really, we don't see any other thing that could possibly go against this trade. Okay, yeah, this is it. So let's go to the daily now. Perfect. Not only is it in a daily bearish order block, which is a huge confirmation. Okay. But we also have the fair value gap right here, which I keep mentioning and will be very important to lose momentum. So that's how I'm going to take this trade. It seems like a very good trade. Now, usually I tell you to put your take profit all the way how far it went before it actually touched this order block, which would be right here. You should put this take profit right here. However, the reason why is because I want to pass this funded account as quickly as possible. And with a 1 to 6.5, just one more trade, I will. Okay. So, as you can see here, I keep my losses very small and I keep my wins very big. That's why this trade failed. As I said, it usually takes 2 days, maybe 3 or 4 to finish. And it usually takes like 1 day for the setup to actually happen. So about 1 to 2 trades a week. 3 if you're lucky, but don't overdo it. 3 is the max. Okay. So let's go into the next trade I'm planning to take. So this is the next one. This is a nice 1 to 6.22. And the reason why I want to take it is because, oh, I moved the alert. Is because we are in a huge, and I'm talking huge, upward momentum right here. Remember, the trend is your friend. Okay. Here, and it's just been in a huge upward momentum. So I made this order block in this upwards momentum, and I waited. It's now hit the order block, and now I'm just going to wait for it to come back and hit. Now this trade will probably take the same amount of time, about maybe 1 to 2 days for it to finish. And I'm also looking at this one right here, which is a 4-hour right there on the order block, but that will be for later when it double touches. All right, so that's about it. Basically what I'm saying in overall is trade with a higher time frame. I gave you 2 amazing setups for this week for you to take. Do not trade against the trend. Do not trade it if you're in an opposing order block on the bigger time frame. You always want to make sure that the bigger time frame matches up with the lower time frame. As you can see, huge uptrend. And if I'm taking a buy, 2 buys, then that's very good. Okay. All right, but guys, before I go and wait for these setups, I want to mention something. So I want to give a huge shout out to More Trading. More Trading is the person who actually got me into the markets. Now, I don't really use much of his strategies since I made my own, right? But it helped me out so much in the beginning. ICT concepts. If you want to really become a master, join his Discord server and watch his videos, okay? I'm subscribed. I get a notification about every video, and they are super helpful. So make sure to go check it out. Not only that, but I want to mention that I also made my own Discord server. Okay, I'm going to be making free mentorship lessons where you will become a complete master, and free mentorship signals for everyone to view. Okay, you can also add your own free signals and your own free analysis for your strategy and share them with the community. Not only that, but you can share your weekly trades, you can document your progress, journal your trades, you can look up you can share your weekend setups that you're going to trade for the week. You can also talk to the other members. It is very small right now. I'm trying to get more people to join. So if you do want to come in here and you want to become one of the first members, you will get a gift. And not only that, but you will also get the opportunities for more things in the future. Okay, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much. The link is in my bio on my channel, so go ahead and check it out there. Have a good one.